Hi, I'm April with WTI.
Let's be honest, not all baby wipes are built the same. We have put these baby wipes by Mama Bear through the test, and I am very pleased to say that they have passed with flying colors every time. Not only are they super thick, but they're also really strong. They stand up very well even on our toughest jobs. I really appreciate that they are very moist. From the very first of the package to the very last, every single wipe is ready to clean. You can even ask my kids. They love to clean with these wipes. And if you're anything like us, we literally use baby wipes for everything. They leave my baby's bottoms nice and fresh. They work very well at cleaning sticky hands and dirty faces. They're even great for all different kinds of surfaces. Go get yourself some Mama Bear baby wipes and experience a reliable wipe.
And that's our point of view.